Ladies and gentlemen, Spirit I'd like to be the first to welcome you to San Diego. Local time is 9:07 p.m. Looks like we got you here just about 15 minutes earlier than expected. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have parked safe at the gate. The fasten seatbelt sign has then been turned off. Feel free to use your cell phones if they are within reach, and be careful when opening overhead bins. These items do tend to ship throughout the flight, and keep the main aisle clear of all bags. Any guests need special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, we ask to remain seated. The majority of passengers have deplaned, as wheelchairs will not be available until the end deplaning process. On behalf of your entire Chicago-based cabin crew, thank you for joining us this evening. We hope to see you on other future Spirit Airlines flight. This is home, welcome home, where future travels take you. Have a safe and happy weekend.